These animal abuse statistics show a grave and depressing scenario when it comes to suffering of animals at the hands of man. Here is some statistical data that will help you get a good understanding of this sensitive issue. Did you know that Zoosadism, which refers to pleasure derived from cruelty to animals, is one of the three precursors to sociopathic behavior? The other two being fire setting and enuresis. We have heard of the old saying dog is a man's best friend. Most of us have read Black Beauty at least once. The lion is the king of the jungle, a fact even kids from kindergarten are aware of. There are many other instances where animals are thought of as our friends, and yet we tend to inflict pain and torture on them. Animal cruelty is not an issue that is unheard of. Since time immemorial, man has tortured those beneath him. Practically all animal species have been abused by man in some way or the other. Humans are thought to be the most intelligent of all species. Still, when we look at the animal abuse statistics, mankind is put to shame. Animal abuse facts and statistics, it is prevalent in all areas of the society. People in rural as well as urban areas are reported for animal cruelty cases. The statistics show reported cases are just the tip of the iceberg. There are hundreds, maybe thousands of cases related to animal abuse that go unreported. People carry out violent and gruesome attacks on animals, both domestic and stray. The most common victims of animal abuse are dogs, cats, horses, birds, and livestock. Abuse can take place in different ways. A dog is kicked because he is barking too much. A house cat is forced to live outdoors as it missed the litter box by a few inches. Horses are whipped continuously just so the jockey can win a race. Bulls are made to fight against man to prove who is mightier, man or beast. There are many cases where the so-called civilized people put unwanted kittens in a bag and leave them out on a highway. Statistics based on the media reports related to animal cruelty cases reveal that around 1,880 animal abuse cases were reported in 2007. Dogs were involved in 1,212 of these animal cruelty cases. Similarly, 337 cats suffered at the hands of mindless humans, and over 470 other animal species were reported to have suffered from some sort of cruelty that year. Several dogs are kept together in poor conditions just so that they keep producing puppies like a machine that can be sold off as purebred dogs. Even well-known breeders are guilty of this crime. You must have heard of bullfights, cockfights, dogs fights, stallion fights, many other animal fights. People place bets on these poor animals to earn some fast cash. But have they ever given it a thought? A living creature is being killed or maimed for life for their lust for money. In the year 2000, it had been reported that over 7,600 greyhound puppies and 11,400 adult greyhounds were killed. Reason: they were not fast enough for the insane dog races enjoyed by humans. The oil spills in the oceans trap many penguins, seagulls, walruses, turtles, fish, and many other marine animals. The oil forms a thick layer over their bodies. This sticks to their fur or feathers and destroys the natural insulation as well as waterproofing properties on the fur and feathers. They develop hypothermia due to this and die. Birds are not able to flip their feathers and cannot escape predators. These birds and animals are drowned in the water as oil makes their bodies heavier. They can no longer swim and their buoyancy is reduced. Baby seal pups are abandoned by their mothers. This is because the oil sticking to their body masks the scent that helps mothers recognize their babies. Humans have polluted land, air, and water. We have cut down forests and taken away land from the wild animals. If this was not enough, Accidental oil spills is a new kind of abuse that man has come up to torture those living in water. Apart from these animals, animal statistics show 15 million warm-blooded animals worldwide are tortured daily in laboratories. These animals are used for research purposes and kept in the most inhumane conditions. They are left to die and suffer, while their researchers are busy finding a cure to free mankind of its troubles. Over 100 million vertebrate animals, of which a few are the closest relatives to man, were reported to be used for animal testing. In us, chimpanzees, monkeys, beagles, dogs, cats, rabbits, rats, birds, farm animals, etc. were used for animal experimentation. The invertebrate number is still high, as over 100 million of them are estimated to have been used for lab testing. Can't the only species on Earth with cerebral power find a few other alternatives to ban animal testing? The fur coat women are so fond of and are ready to pay through their noses for the real ones. But give it a thought before you indulge in such barbaric luxuries. According to statistics, over 18 foxes are killed to make a single fur coat. Over 55 minks are sacrificed to provide the soft fur for your mink coat. In 2006, over 350,000 baby seals were killed by clubbing during the annual Canadian commercial seal hunt. A study conducted in 2001 reported that over 42% seals were skinned while they were alive and conscious. And we call our human race the most advanced and evolved of all in the animal kingdom. Over 2 million dogs and cats are killed for their fur to produce fake fur coats. These animals suffer from unspeakable horrors before they are finally relieved by death. There have been many video-documented evidence that shows the gruesome torture of these poor creatures at the hands of man. Every year over 3,000 gorillas, 4,000 chimpanzees, and hundreds of bonobos are killed for their meat by people in Africa. Similarly, over 100 million ray fish, sharks, and other aquatic animals are caught unintentionally by fishing trolleys. They are thrown back in the water badly injured. Whales, dolphins, porpoises, turtles, etc. who have been pushed to the brink of extinction. Animals working in a circus are tortured all their lives. They are forced to perform on stage for an audience who is least bothered of their pain. Wild animals like tigers, lions, elephants, etc. are forced to perform shows and look fierce to keep the audience captured with awe. No one ever notices the tight collars, the whips lashing on their bodies, beatings and deprivation of food. Have you ever gone backstage and had a look at the living conditions that these animals are kept in? It is against their wild nature to jump around prancing like a kitten. When an animal cannot take the torture anymore, he attacks the abusers. These abusers are then labeled victims and the poor animal is shot dead. The old, sick and weak animals who cannot perform anymore are sold off to people who too are looking for a fast buck. These animals are killed in the most gruesome way one cannot even imagine. Therefore, body parts, bones are sold off illegally. Few are sold off illegally in pet trade to people who have no idea about their care. These poor animals are either abandoned or further abused by the ignorant pet owners. Animal abuse laws. There are many anti-cruelty laws as well as animal welfare programs existing in all states and territories of the United States. These laws prohibit torturing, beating, mutilating and unnecessary killing of animals. They also cover neglecting, abandoning or depriving pets or farm animals of food, water and shelter. There are many organizations set up who monitor animal abuse and take action against abusers. The Society for Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, SPCA, People for Ethical Treatment of Animals, PETA, Animal Rescue Agencies, Animal Shelters, etc. investigate these animal abuse cases. If these agencies are not present, the police or the sheriff's department can take action. Once sufficient evidence is collected, charges are filed by the local district or state's attorney. Types of animal abuse. There are two types of cruelty inflicted on animals by humans. These include passive cruelty and active cruelty. Passive cruelty involves cases of neglect. Here it is generally lack of action to prevent pain and suffering of the animal. Starvation, dehydration, improper shelter, etc. are types of passive cruelty. Active cruelty are malicious acts where the abuser intentionally harms the animal. The animal is beaten, whipped, burned, and even branded by the abuser. Many times it leads to death of the animal. An animal can be tortured in various ways that includes the following barbarous and brutal ways of the soulless abusers. Wildlife smuggling, trading, shooting, torturing. Stop animal abuse. We live in civilized societies where every one of us is aware of basic human rights. All of us are well aware of the live and let live philosophy. We have no right to torture the weaker creatures who inhabit the planet Earth. Even animals feel pain and are injured by the torture meted out to them. They do not need your sympathies. They need you to act and stop this abuse. If you see anyone beating or tethering their animal for no reason, report them to authorities. They say charity begins at home. If you have pets at home, teach your children to love and respect them. Never ever hit or push or punish a pet in front of kids. You are indirectly showing the child it is all right to hit an animal. School teachers, parents, guardians should all speak about respecting wild and domestic animals as well as discuss a few animal cruelty facts. There are hundreds of animals that die each year as a result of man's thoughtless acts. A person who hits, tortures, or abuses an animal in any sort of way is in no way entitled to be called a human being. Animals do not have a voice or an opposable thumb, but they have feelings. They can feel the pain. Do not be so insensitive to their pain. Put yourself in their shoes. How would you feel if you were beaten up, burnt by caustic substances, drowned, or smothered to death? What would go through your mind if someone pulled out the skin of your body while you were alive and conscious? Why do people abuse animals? Mother Nature has created all creatures to live on the planet in peace. Do not let power corrupt you that you overlook the right to live of animals. If these facts have stirred your conscience even slightly, learn to do your bit to stop these mindless acts. Animals are innocent creatures and a few morons think they can take their advantage. Animals, no matter what species they are, will prove to be man's best friend. They will always be there with you, no matter what. It is time to decide whether you belong to the moron category of so-called humans or will you be a part of the smart humans who do not hurt animals and reports those who abuse them.